Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people in which part of the world on a day. Me day I eat some Chiney Guinea, and it took me down a memory lane, you know. Me remember back in the day in Jamaica, when me I grew up as a little picnic, me used to see them call this thing a Chiney Guinea. Some people call it Lychee too, you know, but me never hear that the name there when me I grew up. A Chiney Guinea, me know it as. A foreign me come here, people call it Lychee. And nothing there, so $9.99 a pound. So me there I think of me I say, when me could I get this a Chiney Guinea for free a yard, me know that near me. And me come a foreign now and I pay $9.99 for name Chiney Guinea. Lord, the things them here where we never know and where we take for granted. Anyway, me like it. Me wish me could have a yard right here now I get it for free more than I buy it for $9.99 a pound. You don't know what I talk about, my people? Drop a line below, no? And let me hear full of memories. Only did know this as Chiney Guinea back then. Let me hear. Let me hear. As always, Mama Selva. Have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night in which part of the world on a day.